Okay, so this is the Wuhan Waterfront. Got these colorful buildings all over there in purple. We also have some over there as well. And we got a little pedestrian street walk as well. So we're gonna walk down this pedestrian street and we're gonna walk down this way and see what we can see. Wuhan Waterfront. So stay tuned. Okay, so I got a video on Wuhan for you, and I'm going to put it up on the map. And this one you can see that I'm along the riverfront. And Wuhan used to be several cities that were combined into one. And this is the waterfront of Wuhan, and you can see the view across the river. So I'm going to just stroll up and down. You got the map behind me, and I'm going to set it to music. And then I'm also going to let you know that this is a series of Wuhan videos that I have. So there's a lot more that are down below. You can take a look at those. And I have 18 total. So this is about 2/3 of the way through. So I still have another 4 or 5. I'm going to upload another one every 5 days approximately. So stay tuned for that as well. And so here's another one of Wuhan along the waterfront. Let's go check it out. Music and then we'll walk and talk. Okay, so some of these buildings are kind of dancing in colors. I don't know what side is the better. Looks like that side has a big pavilion over there. But I'm sure there's stuff on this side as well, so we're gonna kind of come down, see what we can see. Check it all out. It does look like there's ships. I don't know if those are if they go up and down the river or if they're just around in the city. Anyways, I'm gonna walk down a little bit further and I'll turn the camera on when we get to something a little bit different, but equally part of the waterfront. So I think this is kind of the theme on the waterfront. These giant long piers. A couple of people came down. Huh. Don't know if they're fishing. They just climbed over here and walked down it. Okay. This seems to be the theme that I've been noticing, is this kind of big lily pads. The docks that go over, the buildings way over on the other side of the foliage. But we're gonna go down there and see if it changes down there a little bit. Okay, this seems to be the theme. So I'm seeing lots of ships, ways to get to the ships, more ships, waterfront, and a walking street. So that seems to be what I'm seeing. Very cool, another one. And it looks like it's gonna be on a corner and it's gonna be opening up here in a second. So maybe that was a little row of ships. And they go up and down the river and they'll take passengers, and that's the way to get to it. And I think this one really opens up. Wow, okay. Okay, so now I can see that this, it's like there's like a beach coming up here. Huh. I think I heard of a river beach, but I didn't expect this exactly. Huh. So people will come over here and hang out at nighttime. So I don't know if that's a beach or maybe it's grass. But whatever it is, we're gonna have to go down and take a look. Oh, that's kind of cool. We do have lots of these, kind of a purple theme everywhere in here. Those are streamers. So China, there's a lot of streamers and they will stream everything. It's pretty cool. So I think what I'm gonna do, yeah, we still got the sun hasn't fully set yet, so we still have this kind of cool vibe. I guess they close this at night. Oh no, you have to get tickets. Maybe. I don't know. Let's walk right in. So it looks like there's a way to walk up that way. Here's some transportation stuff. And this is more of the waterfront. Pretty cool. Looks like there's a little barrier here, but people just go right underneath. So I might go underneath as well. Looks very cool. Let's go underneath. And I'm just gonna walk it down like this. Come all the way down to the waterfront. Pretty cool. Doing a kite up there. Wow. Super cool. All the lighting. See all the blue buildings over there, so it's very cool. Okay, so this is the Wuhan waterfront. That's the guy with the kite. So we're gonna end this video. It's another kite right there. And I can see some kind of cool buildings in the background. So I'm gonna come to a conclusion. I think I'm not gonna film anymore at nighttime. Doesn't always look good when I film at night, for one. But this does look kind of cool right here with the lights in the background like this. But this might be my last video for Wuhan. We will see. Of course I won't know until, but you'll see it. I'm gonna probably label them accordingly. I'll say like 12 of 12 or whatever this is. Huh, it's like selling lots of kites. I think there's blue buildings everywhere down there. It's a little bit of a light. And it looks like they're selling kites here. And there's the Wuhan skyline on this side. And we're gonna end it right here for Wuhan. Maybe not. There's actually more up here. The lighting is kind of cool. Didn't really expect that. Got these tall buildings everywhere as well. Anyways, this is up here too. Let's do a 360. The Wuhan skyline. And we were down on that side, down by the water.